Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe Connect for marketplaces, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Stripe Connect for marketplaces, begin by visiting the Stripe website. Click on the Start Now button to create an account. Fill in your email address, country, and create a strong password. Once you've completed this, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email and return to the Stripe homepage. Log into your newly created Stripe account. Navigate to the Connect section in the dashboard menu. Select Get Started to begin setting up Stripe Connect for your marketplace. You will be taken through the onboarding process. First, choose the type of account you want to create for your platform. Options typically include standard, express, or custom accounts. For most marketplaces, express accounts are recommended for their ease of use. Fill in the required information about your business. This includes your business name, address, and type of organization. Next, provide your personal information as the account owner. This may include your legal name, date of birth, and social security number for verification. Stripe may request additional documentation to verify your identity and business. Once all information is provided, agree to Stripe's terms and conditions. After submission, wait for Stripe to review your application. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to your Stripe dashboard to access your Connect settings. Here, you can set up your payout schedule for connected accounts. You'll also want to configure webhooks to receive real-time updates. Next, integrate Stripe Connect into your platform using their API or pre-built solutions. Follow the documentation provided by Stripe for implementation guidance. Test the integration thoroughly in test mode before going live. Once testing is complete, switch to live mode to start processing transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.